viewer, I have an opportunity. If this happens,
one of my wildest ideas to come to life.
probably the biggest dream I've ever had could become my reality. A project so ambitious it scares me. What it's about, I'll get to that. See, I've always loved cars, and this passion led me to create these 2D car animations where I mix cars with each other. This later transformed into creating these wild 3D animations. I have made a ton of videos, bringing me close to my dream, living as a content creator. Got a various following, which was cool if platforms actually paid creators in Denmark. Only YouTube does that, but never got monetized. Everything I learned is self-taught. I've learned a lot.
Okay, so what will you use the font for? That's a good question. Follow me. See, I haven't really given up on cars just yet. But this project I'm gonna go for here is way out of my comfort zone.
The idea is this. Buy some wrecked car, strip it down, add support if needed, buy some light, get a lot of cool body parts made and slap them on. And of course, post about the whole journey on YouTube!
Yeah, boy! You go, man!
How hard can it be? There's me, the idea and design guy, then my neighbor, he's a mechanic, and my fiancée, she's an electrician. So, artlist, shaping my own supercar bold enough for you?